Hey, welcome back, race fans, to another exciting Corvette C7 video. Sorry I've been away for a while, but things have been busy and it's been over 100 degrees every day and we're working towards it right now. But, you know, I've been waiting on parts and I'm not lying. Just picked these up last night. Got some 20-inch, 19-inch stance wheels, just like our stock Z51s that are 19s and 20s. These are the same size, different offsets, a little more poke, I hope. It's going to flush it out, sit real nice. Got some good tread on them. Paid $11.50. I think that's a great deal. Can't get anything close to that for that price, so we're doing good there. Big thumbs up for me. We also got a cold air intake system with a heat shroud to keep all our nice, cool Texas air sucking straight into that motor. But we're going to see if that makes a difference, sound-wise, performance-wise. However, I can't say much since I haven't driven this thing more than in my driveway. But, you know, you've seen her do some burnouts and donuts, and, you know, she's got some juice. But we'll see what this does, and hopefully we can take it on the first drive after we get these wheels installed and feel good about it. A little safety measure. Part of the interior, that's going to be coming next, as I still don't have my seat belts back, and we need those. We do have our airbag and all that stuff, so as soon as those come, we can pretty much dive into that and get all that fixed up, and that'll be awesome. You may notice I do not have any bumpers yet. Still haven't painted this. I got the paint, but I still don't have a headlight for the passenger side, which really sucks. I just can't find the right deal. I've been waiting on my buddy to swap his out because he got some new Morimotos, but he hasn't done it yet, and he lives 2,000 miles away, so I can't pressure him every day like I'd like to. But, you know, there's no point in painting the bumper and having it sit around, get scratched or something before I can install the headlight, which needs to go before the bumper. But with all that being said, let's just get into this. I'm excited to see what these bad boys look like. Well, you know what they say, chrome won't get you home, so we're changing it up. Those things stick out just about 5 millimeter, I'd say. Definitely an improvement. I like that. You can see these guys, they're kind of sticking inside. Hope that that will change, get a little more aggressive. You know, so you can see these, they're sticking in, and also our tires are a little bit narrower, so if you had the same 325 on there, it'd really be sticking out, but I think that should be perfect. What do you guys think? I like it. I think it looks good. Just a little different from stock, and I think it's a much better look. Now, I've heard that these wheels may touch the caliper in the front, and I might have to get a little spacer. Oh dear God, let's hope not. Well, before we get to that, you know, I'd just like to say, I don't know what people's problem is on, you know, Facebook Marketplace. Look how beautiful these rims are. I mean, they're spotless, super clean. You know, I've taken really good care of them. You know, that stuff will just dust off. It's pretty, I mean, that's nothing. It holds air. I mean, what more could you want? Original GM Corvette high performance rims. I don't know. I've been trying to sell them for 500 bucks. Nobody wants them. Drop me a line if you're interested, you know. These are high dollar, high performance rims. Anyways, I don't see any area of touchage or rubbage. We're tight, we're snug. I mean, it's got a good spacage in there, you know. Wow, look at all that bling. But yeah, I don't think there's any danger of that rubbing. Let's see what kind of gappage we got nowadays. This bad boy. You know, the ride height is still just a little too high for my liking. But the other day I was out articulating it out there on that stump, and you know, it was tucking real nice. But just don't know how to get them that low without coilovers. But here we go. Like I told you, definitely more aggressive, which is what we want. That's what all the ladies want, right? I like it. Okay, it's time to flip around, do the other side. Enjoy this cold start. Alright, that's it for the wheels. We're all on. They are hub centric too, which is really nice. Fit beautifully. Super happy with it. First I thought I wanted like bronze or black wheels even with this, which after thinking about it was like, definitely don't want black. It's just too dark. The car already looks almost black, so didn't like that idea. So when I found these, I kind of hem and hawed about them, which I guess they sat around for sale and was able to make a good offer and get them. So worked out, and I love it. Fits great, looks good, in my opinion. So we'll switch on to the cold air system now. Miami Vice, we are ready to party. Got the top down, chrome's not spinning. I'm gonna torque these down real quick, and then I'll probably turn the car back around so we can work on the intake under the lights. Here, hold my beer. Oh man, I'm getting wetter than a beer in a paper bag. But here we are. Let's get into this stuff and pop this red clip, pull that off. These little guys, you just push it like a button. They come right off of there. Nice and easy sleazy. And got a 5/16. Bust these loose. We'll get this intake out of our way. Voila. This chamber here, I believe these are all just baffles to keep the noise down. But, you know, I don't really have any neighbors or cares. I care about the sound. I want it to sound good, just like, burp. You know, it's a little muffled. Let's see what we can do about that. Easy! Sell that on eBay. Okay, well, we need a 10. Try and get this loose. This was real difficult to get on here after I took it off last time. I wish I never would have put it back on, but you know, sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. I'm just gonna keep on keeping on. Alright. It's a little dirty under here too already. I don't know how. I guess from painting or something. See? I broke it. I broke it last time too. Son of a biscuit. But, this giant air filter and this hood prop and the alternator. You know, who is responsible for this stupidness? It's probably some kind of Ford executive designer who lied his way in there, you know. Just told him, hey, I designed something good like a Ford GT 40 or something. But, well, there it is. We got her out. Just need to take this doohickey off here, majigger. Some kind of mass airflow sensor. Swap that into the new one. And we can start putting the new stuff in. See how it fits. Hopefully it fits. That would be good. Let's see what we got here. See, we already got the pipe. It's got a nipple here. I don't know why this is a screw-on. Maybe it's for nitrous, you know. I'm not sure. We got our adapter for the airflow meter. We got our cold air box. Come on. Adapter. Keep it nice and chilly. Looks good. Not too flashy, you know. Okay. That's why I used to date Taylor Swift, you know, but she just got out of control. She's all about women's rights and stuff, you know. I just couldn't handle it anymore. So looks like we got some kind of isolators and some clamps, bolts, zip tie, adapter, some kind of breather adapter. Why would they give me that? That's not gonna fit right on. Got another zip tie, 2 Hoosier clamps, silicone type. We only need 1, so that's interesting. And we got a seal for the hood and some hoses. I guess they're wanting me to replace one of my hoses there. Interesting. 4 clamps. We only need 2. Alright, let's see how it goes. Alright, so first step comes with some little rubber bumpers here. Isolators, gotta screw those in to the stock location. And need to remove my stud here. Doesn't fit. That out and screw this in. And then our new box will screw into the ends of those guys. Make sure they're snug. So we got our filter in, and I'll try to attach it with these guys. There we go. So far so good, except this alternator is melting my hand. It's just so simple. Okay, got the intake all set up, meter in there, this little guy hooked up, silicone coupler. Looks like we just tuck under here, get on there, yeah, hook that up, and this one will just pop on, hopefully. We'll be cruising the USA in no time. Alright, we had to cut the original hose shrink wrap off here, get that off. Came with a new hose. I'm going to cut her down and put it on with a traditional hose clamp. Put a little Nature's lubricant on there. Oh, don't forget the hose clamp. Okay. You hoser. Come on. Alright. Something like that, I believe, is what the instructions call for. Clamp's a little big, but believe that should do it. So far, not too bad. Well, not sure we got the dream setup, but we got it in. Cut the seal underneath just to where it crimps on to make these sharp corners. Got everything kind of hooked up. Used the factory snap-on for the breather to the top of the oil tank, and replaced the hose going into the coolant overflow breather deal to move this system outside of the box because it used to go right over top. And that's pretty much it. So give it a start and see what it does. Alright, hood closes good. Let's fire it up. Oh yeah. Back in the saddle again. Better listen to that. Woo! Not too shabby. Can definitely hear the intake now, so try and give a couple rips up here. made sure nothing's leaking. Now we'll take it for a little cruise. We're really out of fuel, so hopefully we'll survive. Here we go. Maiden voyage. Hopefully I don't lose any parts. Oh baby, let's hit third. Oh wait, I think I'm in fifth. Well, we made it to an undisclosed location, and I gotta say, feels good, it's looking good. I am digging it. Hope you guys are too. Wrapped up, and I just love the way it sits. Fender gap turned out real nice, and we're sitting so flush now with the body. Looks great. And that's going to wrap up this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button. I'd really appreciate it. And if you haven't subscribed, that'd be great. We'll see you next time.